This next hunt features Danny Roseboom doing something that, as a whitetail hunter, might be one of the hardest things to do in videography.
That's filming yourself. And for all of you who have tried it, it is not easy. And in this next hunt, you'll really see how he excels at it and gets it done.
Dan Roseboom here with LK Outdoors. I'm deer hunting at my uncle's house. It's October 26th, and last year on this night I shot about a 115-inch 10-pointer about 50 yards from here. So we'll see what happens. Self-videotaped right here. Big buck scraping, rubbing. Whoo, yeah. Oh man, I hope I got him. I need to go over this video footage real quick. I think I heard him go down. I'm not really sure. It's 6:50 right now. Yeah, I'm gonna go over this footage real quick, see what my hit looks like. Alright, we're out here. We got first blood right here. I shot about a 110 inch 8-pointer tonight at 650, and we're on the blood here, and we're gonna see what happens. It got to be about 6:45, getting closer to dark, and I thought I would look with my binos over on the other side of the cow pasture and check the cornfield and see if I could see any deer out there. I turned around, and after glassing, and I looked out in the little field that I was hunting, and this boy was sitting right out there and walking straight across the field in front of me. So I grunted at him once. He didn't respond. I grunted at him again, and he went to the nearest tree and just started shredding it. After that, he turned and walked right at me, and I was trying to juggle the camera and my bow, and so the footage before 50 yards isn't the best, and I got a little better after that, but I got the shot on camera and got him running away a little bit, and here he is. Smoked him.